Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you don't go without subscribing. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at AUD USD for today. Right now, I want you guys to know in 3-4 hours time, we will be expecting a decision from the Reserve Bank of Australia. We are expecting them to actually leave interest rates at the same, or they might increase it. So it is the news that will actually cause a major movement today on AUD USD. We can see that AUD USD is actually waiting for the news right now. So probably in 2 hours we should be able to get the news. Then the markets can now decide. Now this is it. If interest rate is being increased, right? If they increase it, I'll be expecting AUD USD to give me that bullish move. I'll be expecting to actually give us a new ice, thereby taking out this ice. That is what I'll be expecting on AUD USD. Now, if they leave it the same, which I don't think so, because it is, this market is speculating that it will be left the same, they'll leave it the same, which I don't think so. If in case they leave it the same, then we expect AUD USD to actually fall. Once it falls, I'll be expecting to, I'll be expecting it to actually take out these lows. Maybe from there we can now predict where next. So this movement will be determined by the news that will be released. So just keep your eyes on it. If they increase the interest rates, then you can now look to buy AUD USD. If they leave it the same, you can now look to sell on AUD USD for today.